The best way to boost your e-commerce store is to create multiple different sales channels that can help you to get sales from all different access, pretty much like a 360 rule. If you think about it, having this one e-commerce store does not do it all. We have to learn how to market and keep data so we understand how the algorithm works and where our traffic is coming from. So I say you don't have to spread your wings too thin, but at the same time, you want to be on different platforms to see where your customers are, hanging around or playing, so to speak. So let's say, for prime example, if TikTok is the traffic source where you may post 3 times a day and you're getting traffic from it, 3 to 500 views, or you're getting some clicks over there, then you want to spend your time there. But I would like to say try different platforms to see where your traffic source comes from, right? Always good to do your market research. Having your e-commerce store is one of the best assets that you can have, but it doesn't make sense wasting your time and just, spending that monthly subscription and not knowing where your audience are hanging around. So what I'm saying is do your due diligence the first 2 to 3 months. Go and start doing some market research. Syndicate your content to different platforms, your product. Show the world what you have to offer. I created a YouTube channel and I was talking about multiple different topics as well as having my affiliate link. With my affiliate link, I was able to get sales, and I know that I can use the same framework to get people to go to my e-commerce store. I do have an e-commerce store and I'm able to use it and generate revenue from it because I'm able to create multiple different sales channels. So I want to challenge you. If you do have your e-commerce business, make sure that you are creating that 360 where you're able to have your products on multiple different platforms. In this case, if you don't make any sales on Shopify, you know that between eBay, Facebook, Instagram, and all these other sales channels. So I want to challenge you. I encourage you to build your e-commerce store. It takes consistency. You have to be self-driven. Even if you didn't make $1 today, you're going to tell yourself that tomorrow, next week, I will be making some money. I encourage you, when you start that job, you don't get paid right away. So you have to have that same mindset. Go and put in the work so you can get massive results. Camille Thompson here, and thank you for watching the Access to Grow Hub. Take care. Bye.